Hey guys, so today I have received my CP-E31A camera. This is a CCTV camera and I got it for a decent price. I'll let you know the price in the end of the video. So basically this is a 3 megapixel camera and it comes with all your basic features. You can have a two-way talk, 360 rotation, motion sensor detection. We have to download this eZoom Cam app from Play Store or your app store for iOS. Then we can use it. So I'll just quickly unbox this video. I'm presenting to you on November 2022, and that's what I believe this is gonna be the latest version of it. So let's quickly unbox it and see how the box content looks like. So as we unbox this, I am left with this camera. There's a film which is kept over this just to have a protection. This is the warranty card and terms and conditions, how we're gonna use this. And there is a box as well which comes with your charging brick. This is the cable which is going to get attached with it. This is the holder, it's holding stuff, and this is again your back end holding stuff. So this is what we have totally received with this. I'll just quickly arrange it for you and have you look around it. So this is basically what we are getting out of the box. Now I will quickly set up this camera, remove the films and all. So let me just show you the the content as well. So here is the model numbers and all. This is how it looks. I believe that the SD card would be getting from the bottom of the camera. I've seen some videos for that. This is the speaker for this one, where we can have a two-way talk functionality checked. This is the charging cable, and let's see how it pans out. And from the application interface also I will add that stuff. Alright guys, as you can see, I have totally have it function now. Means I have installed everything on the phone app, set up everything, Wi-Fi connection and all. And this thing as well I've installed. I'll just show it to you. So there's a tripod kind of a thing which goes in and it holds this with the help of this. I would say that this could have been of a little good quality, but it was not. So I found this little dicey when I hang this out. So this camera is moving on its own. There is a micro SD which can be popped from this space. It's moving on its own. It's catching all my motions which I'm doing in front of it. So that's a good part about it, which I liked. And on the app interface could have been little more better. The camera quality is very nice. I can see in the room light it's giving me a good picture quality. So all in all, I got this for almost 2200 rupees, and I think it is a good choice if you're looking for a decent camera and a decent range, because I was looking to other brands as well, like TP and other Tazo and Kent as well, but CP Plus, as you know that rules and security cameras and all. So as far as my objective of buying this, it is a decent purchase, I would say. Little bit on the cost cutting on these kind of items, but I think that's fine if it hangs nicely wherever you want to put it to be. So this is my review. Lastly, I would say that if you're looking for a camera, decent camera at a good price, then you can go for this one. It's, I don't know why it it just went there. I would like to show it to you. This is the blue light which will pop it up. I'll share some video samples as well, which I will record when I get this placed somewhere, whenever I want it to be. The speaker quality is fine. The hearing quality, I think it's also good. Apart from it, it's a decent purchase. So for 2200 rupees on Amazon I got it for. So if you're looking for a purchase, I'll drop a link in the bio. Thanks for watching.